Ma'am, please.
Am I audible?
This call is now being
Yes,
recorded.
ma'am.
Okay. Namaskar. A very good morning to all the respected participants from across the nation. I would like to welcome you all to this 21 days
Ma'am, you are not audible. Can you please check your mic? Yes, ma'am. Hmm?
Hello, am I audible?
Ma'am,
Hello.
you are audible now.
Okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So I was in Northeast India. We have tropical climate to temperate mountains. The soil is very much rich in organic carbon. I would like to introduce you to some of the important GI tech horticulture produce of northeastern region. For the state of Assam, Assam is known for the Tejpur lychee, which is highly aromatic, and also known for Karbi Along ginger, which is having a unique aroma and also of great quality for export. Meghalaya, Meghalaya is known for Khasi Mandarin for having the distinct flavor and taste, and obviously known worldwide for the Lakadong turmeric, having high curcumin content, more than 7%, and also for the wild orange, which is the progenitor of the current day citrus group. Mizoram is known for Buds Eye chili, the small fairy spicy chili. Tripura is known for the queen type of pineapple, which is having a unique taste. Sikkim is definitely known for Sikkim large cardamom, which is having the very premium grade, and also for Dalle Khorsani, the specific species of chili variety. And in Nagaland, Nagaland is obviously known worldwide for the Raja Mircha, which is also known as King chili, one among the hottest chili of the world, and also for Naga sweet cucumber. Coming to Manipur, Manipur is known globally for chakhao. Chakhao is the black aromatic rice, and also for kachai lemon, a unique aroma, and for hatai chili, which is also known as sirarakong chili, having very good color and other qualities. And Arunachal Pradesh is also known for Adi Kekir. It is the red skin ginger, which is having very good medicinal property. And also cow thai rice, the aromatic rice for Khamti tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. And Arunachal orange. Here I would like to mention Arunachal orange. It's denoting the mandarin, not the orange. The Arunachal mandarin is having very good quality, very good TSS. The TSS is even more than the Kino mandarin. These are the pictorial representations of the GI tech crops of Northeast India. The first one being the Memang Narang, the wild orange. This is the progenitor of current day citrus grown. Lakadong turmeric with good curcumin content, more than 7%. The bird's eye chili, the upright growing chili of Mizoram. And Tripura, the queen type of pineapple of Tripura. The Lake Khorsani of Sikkim. And here, Arunachal orange. As I have already rectified, it is not orange, it is mandarin. And Hatai chili, the Sirarakong chili of Manipur. The chakhao, the black rice of Manipur. Raja Mircha, king chili of Nagaland. And Sikkim, the large cardamom, the premium grade of cardamom from Sikkim. So I will go to the major crops grown in northeastern region. This table represents the major horticulture crops grown in the 8 states of northeastern India. Arunachal is known in the whole nation for its kiwi and orange. Assam is known for Assam lemon. Manipur is quite popularly known for the pineapple grown. And Meghalaya, of course, for turmeric, mandarin orange. Mizoram for hatkora. Hatkora in Mizoram is usually exploited for the fruit juice purpose, whereas in Manipur, hatkora is exploited as a spice or condiments. The peel of the hatkora is exploited as spices and condiments in Manipur. And in Nagaland, Nagaland is very famous for pineapple. Here, I would like to mention the area, the Mejifema area in Nagaland produces the world best pineapple. The reason being, there is a sharp temperature difference between day and night owing to its best TSS and specific development of aroma of that pineapple. So Nagaland Mejifema pineapple is globally very well known. Sikkim is quite known for the large cardamom, Dalle Khorsani. Tripura is well known for the pineapple. I have collected this from a paper by Gupta MD 2022. Coming to the horticultural statistics of northeastern India. India is having a total arable land of 154 million hectare, out of which northeastern India is having 5.3 million hectare. So among all the northeastern states, Assam is having the maximum area and production, followed by Tripura and Manipur. So we all know India, the whole global world is rapidly changing due to climate change. Presently, we are not having rainfall. In the Kharif season, now we are leaking rainfall. This is a clear sign of climate change. So the need of we have to harness crop diversification for climate resilience farming, for sustainable agriculture for future. So I would like to take you to the vegetable parts. Northeast India, we have very rich biodiversity, as I have already mentioned in the earlier slides. I would take you first to the vegetables that we have been consuming since time immemorial. And these vegetables are, of course, consumed as vegetable, yet they are having nutraceutical property, meaning they are providing the nutrition as well as the medicinal values. So the first picture I have written here as haikak. These are all the local dialect. So I will give you the English names also. The first picture is for haikak. Haikak is very well known. It is found in other parts of India too. It's the water chestnut. The water chestnut. This crop is grown in aquatic bodies. The fruits are edible. It can be consumed as nuts after roasting or after cooking, boiling. The second one being the Ising Ikai Thabi. Ising Ikai Thabi, it's the water mimosa. Water mimosa, it is also aquatic plant, Neptunia prostata. It is having good amount of fiber. And the third one, it's a weed. It's a weed, but we also consume it as a vegetable. We grow. It is found in all the parts of Northeast India. And then kabonapi. It is known as kabonapi. The third one, alligator wheat. It is alligator wheat. And then the fourth picture is kengoy. Kengoy is Lysimachia candida. This vegetable, this leafy vegetable, is very much rich in iron. So it is recommended for consumption by the woman. And coming to the fifth one, Ising Kambong. It is also an aquatic plant. The common name is also known by the name water bamboo. And then compreg, it is found in other parts of India also. Compreg, the water celery. The water celery, the whole green part, the whole aerial part is edible. This crop prefers swampy area. Coming to Polumni. Polumni is the water spinach. Water spinach, this is very popular. Ipomia aquatica. It is found in other parts of Northeast India too. And IIVR, Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, has released a recent variety, Kasi Mannu, quite suitable for cultivation in Northeast India and also other parts of the country. And coming to the eighth crop, that is Yelang. Yelang. It is also known by the English name knotweed, Polygonum barbatum. The leaves are edible. The young leaves are edible. It is having good fiber content and laxative in nature. And the ninth crop, Tangjing. We all know this. Foxnut. We know the crop by the name of makhana also. But in Manipur and also in other parts of Northeast India, we consume the immature fruit of this crop, raw or cooked. Coming to the 10th crop, that is yampat. Yampat is known by the name of plantain. It is also studied under medicinal and aromatic crops also. Yampat, we consume the leafy part, plantago. This plant is plantago. And coming to the 11th crop, that is lockley. Lockley is also a ginger family crop. The scientific name responds to Hedychium flavum. We can cook, boil, steam, and we can consume this vegetable. This crop is also having very high nutraceutical property. And coming to the 12th crop, that is arrowhead kauka. It is found very much in the valleys of Manipur. The scientific name corresponds to Sagittaria sagittarifolia. And coming to number 13, this we all know, it's taro, colocasia. The leaves and also the petiole is edible. It is having good amount of minerals and vitamins. And coming to the 14th crop, that is peruk. Peruk, we all know Indian pennywort. We all know this crop, Centella asiatica. This crop is also having diuretic property. And coming to the 15th crop, that is pullai. Pullai is also consumed largely by the northeastern India. The scientific name correspond to Alpinia nigra. Alpinia nigra. And coming to Yensil. Yensil, it's oxalis. It is also known by the name of weed, but we can consume the leafy part. It is having good vitamins, vitamin C. And coming to the 17th crop, that is Yerum Kairum. It is also known by the English name star wheat. The scientific name corresponds to Stellaria media. And this vegetable is also known by the name of wheat, or it is mostly found in the field of potato during Rabi season. So we can consume this crop also. And coming to this side, awapadigom. We all know this crop. This is culantro. Culantro. It can be used in the replacement of coriander. It is having very good aroma as well as medicinal properties. Coming to the next crop, that is Chingensil. The scientific name corresponds to Antidesma acidum. It is having good vitamin C content. And the next crop is Dhaincha. Dhaincha. You might be thinking Dhaincha is only used as green manure crop, but in Manipur, we consume the tender leaves and also the tender pods. This is having very good amount of protein and minerals. Coming to the next crop, that is Haibi mana. Haibi mana corresponds to the name, scientific name as Mena lexiflora. Mena lexiflora. The leaves, it is a tree. It is a perennial tree. It is found in the hilly regions of northeastern India. The leaves are consumable. The leaves are edible. And coming to the next crop, that is Haibi mana. Haibi mana, the name corresponds to Mena lexiflora. The young leaves are edible. Even the fruits are exploited as underutilized fruits. Upon processing, Manipur is preparing lots of processed products from this tree. And coming to the next crop, that is Pongovian. Pongovian, it is having a slightly acidic taste. It is consumed after boiling. And then the name corresponds to Cissus adnata. Cissus adnata. And the next crop is Monsaubi. Monsaubi, it's a wheat. We all know by the name Bathua. It is having very good vitamin A. And then coming to the next crop, which is very concisely found only in the northeastern region of India, that is Mugthrubi. Mugthrubi, it can be used as condiments or spice. The scientific name corresponds to Genthoxylum acanthopodium. The leaves and also the seeds are consumed. And then coming to the next crop, that is Nauksek manbi. Nauksek, it's a very peculiar insect found in Manipur. So that this plant resembles the smell of that insect. Hence the name Nauksek manbi. It's a Ocimum species. It is also used as spices and condiments. Coming to the next crop, that is Tuningkok. Tuningkok, we all know by the name of fish mint. The English name corresponds to fish mint leaf. The scientific name being Houtunia cordata. The leaves, the young leaves and also the roots are consumed fresh or upon after boiling. And then the last crop here, Yendang. You might be seeing this crop in the markets of Northeast India. It is cycas. It is a cycas vegetable. Only the young unfolded leaves are consumed. Cycas species. This source I have been collected from Kapodung R et al. 2024. And then again, I will take you to some of the wild edible solanum species found in northeastern India. When we say solanum, we only know potato, tomato, brinjal, but I will take you to all the wild relatives of brinjal, which is edible and which is having very good medicinal property. Here, the first picture is Solanum ferox. The immature fruits are consumed The fruit is slightly acidic in nature. The immature fruits can be consumed upon boiling or upon stir frying. And Solanum nigrum, you might be knowing this crop as the wheat, black nightshade, but the fruits are poisonous. But the young leaves, the young tender leaves, is having very good nutrition property. So the young tender leaves are consumed. And the next crop is Solanum gilo. Solanum gilo comes in quite a variety. Gilo comes in white color, green color, purple color, even in admixtures of different colors. So Solanum gilo here, the white ones, the purple ones, and the green one. These are consumed. The immature tender fruits are consumed as vegetables. And I will take you to the next crop, that is Solanum macrocarpum. It resembles like gilo, but the fruits are larger in size. The leaves are quite thorny. Even the leaves, the young leaves are also edible. Solanum macrocarpum. And then next crop is Solanum spiral. Solanum spiral, it is known by the name of bangho in Arunachal Pradesh. The leaves are consumed as vegetable, and even the leaves can be used as antipyretic. When when a kid is suffering from fever, the leaves are also provided to reduce the body temperature. The Solanum spiral crop. It is widely grown in Arunachal Pradesh for the leaves for as vegetables. And coming to Solanum violaceum, this crop is also grown widely in the northeastern region. And I would take you to the next crop. This is a unique Solanum species. This is also known by the name Solanum mimosum or nipple solanum. This fox head crop, the immature fruits are consumed. This is mainly found in hilly tracts of Nagaland and Manipur. Same here, Solanum violaceum, the leaves and also the tender immature fruits are consumed. And Solanum torbum, this crop is very important. Solanum torbum is having a very woody stem and very much tolerant to any abiotic and biotic stresses. Currently, I'm also working on Solanum torbum to explore its drought resistance capacity. So Solanum torbum is having proven resistance to verticillium wilt, and also presently we are working to find out the abiotic resistance of this particular crop. And coming to Solanum villosum, same, the fruits also, the fruits are consumed. The immature and mature fruits of this crop are consumed. And coming to this side, the right hand side, the first crop is kanghuman. Kanghuman, the leaves are edible. When a person suffers from fever or dysentery, this crop, if you boil and if you consume, dysentery can be cured. Kanghuman. It is known by the name of Bengal sage, corresponding to the scientific name as Myriandra bengalensis. And coming to the next crop, that is Mayang lambam. This is very much popular. It is a weed. It is popularly grown as a weed, Lucas aspera. This crop is usually exploited as vegetable in Northeast India and also in ethnobotanical medicine. The leaves are crushed and taken through the nostrils to cure any sinusitis and migraine-related problems. I will cover some of the success story at the end of my slide also. And the next crop is Mayangton. Mayangton is lemon basil. Lemon basil, Ocimum canum. The leaves, the young leaves and also the young inflorescence are consumed as vegetables. And coming to Nomangka, this is very popular crop. Nomangka, Phlogocanthus thyciformis. The young leaves and also the flowers are consumed. It is also having antipyretic nature. And then next, coming to the next crop, that is it is also known by the name of snakeweed or Pakhangba leiton in Manipur. This crop, it corresponds to the scientific name as Euphorbia hirta. It can be consumed upon boiling. The next crop is Paixamaton. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, madam.
Okay, okay. This Phaizamaton, it is a perennial tree. It's a you might be wondering, Northeast is having very wide diversity because Northeastern India lies in the Indo-Burma hotspot region. So you might be seeing many of the unique crops. So I'm very much lucky to showcase all the treasure of Northeast India. This crop, Phaizamaton, it's a perennial tree. The inflorescence are consumed as vegetables. It corresponds to the scientific name as Vendalandia glabrata. And you might be seeing this, the next picture, you might be very much, it is very much commonly seen in Northeast India. It is bamboo shoot, simple. The young tender bamboo shoot is consumed as vegetables in Northeast India, but there is a problem when we undergo biochemical analysis of bamboo shoot. Hydrogen cyanides were found in the raw form, but upon cooking, it can consume. And the next picture down below here, it's buckwheat. Yeah, we also consume the leaves of the buckwheat. We can consume upon fry or boil. The next crop is very commonly found in Northeast India. It is fiddlehead fern. Fiddlehead fern corresponding to very good iron content. And coming to the last crop here, the last vegetable crop here is toothache plant. Toothache plant or Mars phyllanthus. It is having medicinal property. When a person suffers from toothache, simply the flower is put in the affected area, and then it can ease the pain of toothache. Also, I have given the sources from where I have collected. So I will take you to the next slide of fruits, the underexploited fruit crops of Northeast India. The first fruit is very commonly found in Northeast India. It is cane fruit, cane, Calamus flagellum. And the second fruit is sumac berry, Rus chinensis. This crop was earlier underutilized, but now this is commercially exploited in Manipur for preparation of beverages or tea bags. And the next crop, you must be very much aware, passion fruit, but purple passion fruit. This is found in northeastern India. This blackberry is specially found in the hilly tracts of northeastern India, and also some unique blackberries I have identified this time in Dibang, lower Dibang Valley. And coming to the next here in this picture, it is very much common, the ancestor of current day apple, crab apple or wild apple. The fruits are consumed. And this next fruit crop is Hayyan, Antidesma buneus. The fruits are also found widely in the hilly tracts. And the next picture is the Khasi mandarin or the Arunachal mandarin. This is very much popular for the high TSS and peculiar flavor, which is found only when grown in the north, the Arunachal Pradesh. And this crop is Kachai lemon. Manipur is getting the GI tag for this crop. Botanically, it is Citrus jambiri. This crop is also having very unique character, especially in aroma. And we are all aware this pineapple, Tripura pineapple, queen pineapple, and Arunachal is very, very much nationwide famous for kiwi production and quality kiwi production. And we have also plum. And I would like to come here. I will not mention each and individually. These are some of the fruit diversity, which is still, some of the fruit crops are still under exploited. So these crops can be considered when we are framing any policy for climate resilient agriculture for the Northeast India or the whole of India. I have quoted the source from where I have collected the material. And coming to some of the edible flowers, Northeast India, our diet, our food is very diverse. So we also consume wide variety of flowers. Here you can see this is a flower of taro or colocasia, and we know we are Manipuri people. We consume this as a condiment. It is known by the name of lomba, Elsodgia species, and we are all aware this is banana bread the immature banana bread, the banana inflorescence we also consume. And this flower, this nasturtium, we consume the flowers in raw form, in salad form. And of course, the flower that we are seeing here, we call this as I forgot, I cannot recall the name now. Oh, yaipan. We consume this flower as vegetables. And here, this flower we have already discussed, and it is the flower. This one is the flower of the pumpkin, and this one, alpinia. This crop, this flower crop, is widely consumed in Arunachal Pradesh. It is also a gingiveraceae family, Alpinia malacanensis. And kadamba flower, kadamba flower we consume after making chutney, and upon boiling also we consume kadamba flower. I would take you to the next slide, that is the floral diversity of northeastern India. As I have already told you, northeastern India is very much rich in biodiversity. So the northeastern India is reported to have 850 species of orchids found across the northeastern India. So I have mentioned some of the important orchid and lily species which is found in the region. I would not go through one by one. So coming to the most important part, that is the medicinal and aromatic crops found in this region. I didn't mention all the medicinal and aromatic crops that is found in the region. I have mentioned few of the medicinal crops which is widely found in the northeastern region. The first one is Ecorus calamus. We are all aware. This crop is used in treatment of gastritis and ulcer. And then Aristolochia is used in treatment of anti-arthritic, diuretic. And then Argeria nervosa. This crop, this medicinal plant is found wild in the northeastern region. It is having anti-inflammatory property. And then the next medicinal crop is Bridelia. This crop is having very unique character for treating dysentery. It is having diuretic property and also for treating oral infections. And then Centella, we are all aware, it is consumed as vegetables also, and it is having very good diuretic and also consumed as brain tonic. And then this crop, Clerodendrum. This crop is widely found in the Pasigat region, the valley plain areas of Arunachal Pradesh. And this crop, the tender leaves, this is in the flowering stage, but prior to flowering, the tender parts, the tender leaves, the tender shoots of this crop is consumed in order to lower the blood pressure. It can regulate your blood pressure. High BP, you can treat high blood pressure with this crop. And then coming to the next medicinal crop, that is Gloriosa. This Gloriosa, this medicinal crop, it is specially used for treating snake bites and any skin disorders. This is also found widely in the northeastern region. Coming to the next crop, that is Gynema. This crop, this medicinal plant, the name already implies it is very helpful in weight management. It can use to treat obesity, and also it is having diuretic property. Coming to the next crop here, Spilanthes. This is, I have already mentioned, it is consumed as vegetable also. And this plant is known by the name of toothache plant, since the flower is used for treating toothache in human. And then Embellia ribes. This crop is known for treating deworming in kids. This crop is used. And then Lucas aspera or Lupus indica, I have already mentioned, it is used for treating migraines and sinusitis. And then Rawalphobia, the two species, Sarpaganda. We are very much aware about this crop. It is having anti-cancer property. The roots are having anti-cancer property. And coming to Terminalia cebula and Terminalia ballerica. These three species produces fruits. The immature fruits can be consumed for treating liver related problems, and also it acts as mild laxative. And then we are all aware about Calmeg, that is Andrographis paniculata. It is used for treating high fever. It is having antipyretic in nature. And also Oroxylum indicum. It is also having very great medicinal property. It is also a tree species grown widely in northeastern India. Here I would like to talk about this lady, Miss Yanung Jamo Lego. She is a Padma Shri awardee of 2024 in agriculture sector. She is from Pasighat region of Arunachal Pradesh. She is known for traditional herbal medicine. She has treated, you can see her videos in her Facebook or YouTube channel. She has treated many ailments, even cancer and many other problems through herbal medicine. She prepares concoctions available from all the forest areas of this north, from Arunachal Pradesh, Pasighat region. And she used to treat many patients here in Arunachal Pradesh. Persons from across the nation comes to visit her for treating any ailments. So you can visit her, Miss Yanung Jamo Lego, and you can also check her on Facebook. So coming to the SWOT analysis. I would like to put here some major strengths of northeastern India. Obviously, we have been aware about the rich biodiversity. We have unexplored fruits, vegetables, and spices, also flowers and medicinal plants, which are very much genetically diverse, and they serve as the source to numerous desirable genes, which can go for breeding program against climate resilience. And then diverse climate. Northeast is having tropical, temperate, subtropical climate, so it can adjust any flora and fauna over the globe. And most of the areas, the farming areas of Northeast India is chemical free by default. So we already know Sikkim is the only organic state of India. So we can extend beyond Sikkim. We can explore some, not the whole of the state, but we can explore some potential pockets of Northeast India to slowly convert the region to organic practices. And also the most major strength the Northeast is having is strategic location for export. We are all aware about the Act East policy of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So northeastern India serves as a gateway to Southeast Asian countries. So in future, by 2047, the Act East policy will come to life, and then Northeast India will act as a corridor for support of all the producers of India to the Southeast Asian countries. And also we are very proud to have very good organic carbon in the soil due to having very large forest cover. And also we are very blessed with water resources, perennial rivers and tributaries. Coming to the weaknesses, most of the regions, 65% of the area is hilly terrain. So farming is very, very difficult in hilly terrain. And small fragmented land holding. Fragmented land holdings are there in Northeast India. And then lack of quality planting material. Whenever we go for any plantation of orchard or any horticultural crops, there is no proper supply of quality planting material. And then the rain-fed traditional farming practices. Northeast India has not adopted the recent technological advancements. We are still stuck in the old traditional farming practices. And also the irrigation system, we are still, most of the crops are rain-fed in nature. And the markets, the fragmented markets. We have domestic markets and lack of proper packing and storage facility. We don't have proper packaging and storage facility, storage in case of cold storage, and also poor documentation of genetic resources that is available in the region. So coming to the opportunities, we have a very great potential. I have already mentioned Egg East policy of Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, by 2047. Northeast will act as the corridor to export producers to the Southeast Asian countries, and also international quality standard crops. I have already mentioned the kiwi grown in Jero Valley is having very good quality. So it is of international standard, so it can be exported for foreign exchange earning. And also the ginger we grow in northeastern states, rather be it in Arunachal Pradesh or Karbi Anglong, Assam. The quality is very unique, so we can go for export. And passion fruit is also having very good potential. So the opportunities can be in the form of government initiatives to expand organic farming, or maybe natural farming in the region. And proper framing of research and development projects specific for the region is need of the hour. And exploration and conservation of desirable gene from the hotspot region is very important. And revolutionize processing industry. We can revolutionize processing industries upon value addition of all the horticulture producers, making it ready for export. And also the most important thing, agro-ecotourism. Northeastern India is known worldwide for the tourist attraction. So agro-ecotourism can be of good opportunity of Northeastern India in the near future. So after knowing the opportunities, let's know the threats. The major threats is the rapid loss of genetic resources. We are losing most of the important genetic resources, germplasms, due to ever-changing climate, and shortened zoom cycle. The Northeastern Indian farmer practices zoom cultivation. Earlier, once they cut down the trees, at least they grow the crops for more than 3 years. But presently, they are growing the crops hardly up to 2 to 3 years. So the zoom cycle has been shortened. So the forest areas are rapidly being cleared. And poor logistics and connectivity. We all know it is in hilly terrain, so very challenging for the transportation for export purposes. And also Northeast India, Northeast India receives the world's most rainfall. So it is very much prone to nutrient leaching and soil loss through soil erosion in steep slopes. These are the important threats that we are facing. So to know the way forward, what can we do in future? Transforming Northeastern region through Egg East policy and Atmanirbhar Bharat by 2047. These are the governmental mandates. These are the governmental views for Northeastern India. So I have already mentioned South Asian Power Pool. This Egg East policy will allow the South Asian Power Pool through Northeastern India, leveraging border as an opportunity. Northeastern India is having international boundaries with 4 countries, so we can exploit this border opportunity for export purposes. And promoting Northeastern region as a green destination. I have already mentioned about agro-ecotourism. So we can promote Northeastern India as a green destination to the world. Developing a Northeast economic corridor. We can promote Northeastern India as the economic corridor of India in future, and establishing Northeastern region as a climate studies hub. Since Northeastern India, by the God's grace, is still having very fortunate enough to have enough biodiversity. So it can be established as a climate studies hub for India for a better tomorrow, and positioning it as a medicinal as a, sorry, this is not medical, it should be medicinal. Positioning it as a medicinal and agro-tourism zone, which I have already discussed. Enhancing soft power and through youth, sports and music. Northeast people are very globally known for sports, youth and musical activities. So we need to enhance our soft power too, to empower the whole of Northeast. And realizing the peace dividend through inclusive development. These are some of the way forward that we see in future. These are a few of the references which I have referred for preparing this PPT. So thank you everyone. And I am beyond honored to be invited for this lecture. Despite with short notice, I got the notice yesterday itself. I tried my level best and I'm now open to any feedbacks. Please, anyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. It was a very informative session for us. There is so much diversity in northeastern part of our country, and that is only within horticulture. There's so much diversity, and there are various challenges in northeastern states as it is hilly area. We have a regional station there in Dharan, so we can understand that it is very tough to work in these conditions. So any participant who wants to interact with our source person.